Student suicide is a serious issue on campuses across the UK.
A ni gyd yn gwybod beth mae'n teimlo fel i fod nesaf. Ond beth sy'n digwydd pryd nad yw'r teimlad yma yn mynd i ffwrdd?
Suicidal thoughts can range from being preoccupied with thoughts about ending your own life or believing that people would be better off without you.
From thinking of methods of suicide to clear plans of taking your own life.
It can come out of a tragedy or emerge out of the blue, something so unexplainably heavy that feels like it can only be resolved with death.
Whilst there is often a strong link to mental illness, many suicides happen impulsively in a moment of crisis, with a breakdown in the ability to deal with life stresses.
I'm not here to tell you what you're feeling is wrong, but I believe you can get through this.
Suicidal thoughts aren't permanent and you can find the motivation to live.
There are people to talk to who care more than you know.
Whether it's a friend, family member, tutor, SAB, your GP, a counsellor, or even security.
You can talk to Samaritans on 08457 909090 or Papyrus Suicide Prevention Line on 0800 068 4141.
If talking is too hard, you can simply text HELP to 81066 and receive information from the call helpline.
If the situation is escalating, call 999.
The earlier you let someone know of your feelings, the quicker you'll be able to get support to overcome them.
My door is always open. If you need to chat, you are welcome. Does byth dim croeso I chi yma.
Don't live in isolation. It's you I'm talking to.
I won't judge. I know what it feels like.
Start the conversation.
Start the conversation.
Start the conversation.
Dechreuwch y sgwrs.
Start the conversation.